Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that Jake buys a bag of popcorn at the movie theater. He eats half the popcorn during the 15 minutes of previews. After eating half the popcorn, he stops eating for the next 30 minutes. Then he gradually eats the popcorn until he accidentally spills all the remaining popcorn. We're asked which of the following graphs could represent the situation. Now, we could go through each of these graphs and describe what's happening in each section and then compare it to what actually happens. But I noticed a quicker way to figure out which one is our answer. In A, in C, and in D, there is at least one section of the graph where the amount of popcorn is increasing, right? In A, at the end here, we have an increasing amount of popcorn. At C, it's at this point right here. At D, we actually have 2 points. This range right there, and then right there, the amount of popcorn is increasing. If we go back through what happened, he buys the bag of popcorn, so he starts out at a certain amount. Then he eats some of it, then he stops, then he eats some more, then he spills it. So it's decreasing, then it stops, so it remains constant. Then it's decreasing some more, and then it decreases really fast as he spills it all. So at no point is the amount of popcorn increasing. So these increasing sections we see in D, C, and A don't exist in the actual situation. So that leaves B as our final scenario without actually having to look at each individual section. If you did notice that pattern, then yes, you could actually go and say, okay, he eats half the popcorn during the 15 minutes, that reflected by this, then he stops, that's why it's constant, then it continues to go down, so that's this right here, and then he spills it, so it drops off right at the end. But you don't have to if you're actually trying to work through a time limit on the test, if you just notice that trick at the beginning and then you immediately get to B. Either way, you get the same answer though. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.